เสียงปรบมือต้อนรับคุณเบนค่ะ
โอเคนะคะขอบคุณค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Would you like the AI version or impromptu? This is Ben Montgomery. Very pleased to meet you all. Good evening, distinguished guests, industry colleagues, partners, and friends. On behalf of the Pacific Asia Travel Association, APATA, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the opening ceremony of Travel and Tech Asia 2026. As a proud supporter of the event, PATA is delighted to celebrate the second edition of Travel and Tech Asia and to congratulate BNU Asia Pacific on creating a platform that brings together leaders from across tourism, technology, and innovation. The energy and engagement we have seen, like today, especially at the last session, right, are a testament to just how relevant and how necessary this conversation has become. Today has reminded us that technology is transforming every part of us, of our industry, from AI and digital platforms to smarter data and more personalized experience. Innovation is reshaping how we travel, how we do business, and how destinations compete. But while technology continues to evolve at an extraordinary pace, one thing remains unchanged. Travel is and always will be about the people. Our industry thrives on human connection. It is built on hospitality, trust, culture, and the shared experiences that bring people and places closer together. Technology should enhance those connections, not replace them. That's why collaboration matters than ever. The opportunities before us are too great, and the challenges too complex for any one organization, a destination, or business to address this alone. By working together, sharing knowledge, and embracing innovation responsibly, we can build a meaningful visitor economy that is more resilient, more inclusive, and better prepared for the future, especially for the young. This is where PATA sees its role, bringing together governments, business, destinations, academies, and young tourism professionals to foster collaboration, encourage innovation, and help build a stronger tourism ecosystem across the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Events like Travel Tech Asia make it possible. They provide a space where ideas are exchanged, partnerships are formed, and conversations become action. As we gather this evening, I encourage you to continue the conversation that began today. Meet someone new, share your experiences, challenge each other. Where is Imtiaz? I'm gonna see him after this. The connections you make here may well become the partnerships that shape our industry's future. Speaking of partnerships, I am pleased to share that PATA's collaboration with BNU Asia Pacific will continue beyond this event. We are delighted to welcome VNU Asia Pacific as a supporting partner of PATA Travel Mart 2027 in Macau, China. It's around September. Thank you, VNU. Yeah, we will be great together. We look forward to building on the momentum created here and hope to see many of you join us there as we continue to connect our industry and share its future together. To VNU, Asia Pacific, sponsors, exhibitors, speakers, and all those who have contributed to this year's event, thank you for your vision and dedication, and to everyone here in this event. Thank you for your commitment to advancing our industry. I wish you a wonderful evening, productive networking, and a successful remainder of Travel and Tech Asia 2026. Thank you very much. And impromptu, people cannot replace AI or technology. That's the tool for us to do better, to be more effective. Nice to meet you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Khun Ben Won Dong.